Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you the best way how you can get data and how you can get internet when you're going to travel in Egypt, and what I think is the best way. So I don't really recommend getting a SIM card. What I think is a really good way is actually using a site like My Mobile, which is going to allow you to activate an eSIM for your phone if your phone is compatible, of course. And what you have to do is you're going to have a link down below in the description with a discount too. In a search, you're going to write Egypt, and you're going to write Egypt eSIM right here. And then you can choose between the 1 gigabyte and then 3 gigabytes or even 5 gigabytes or 10 gigabytes of data. So let's say that you want to choose, I don't know, 1 gigabyte of data or 3 gigabytes. You would click activate now. Then you would choose the day of your data when it's going to start. And here you're going to choose the days, how many days you want, let's say 15 days. And you can see clearly here that you're going to find 10% discount from me to you. So you're going to have it cheaper. Then you can auto recharge or no, up to you. And then you're going to have the QR code that you're going to get in your email. And thanks to that, you can activate it. So how does it work is that you will get a QR code, you will scan it, and then you will activate the eSIM, and that's how it's done. I even made a tutorial for that on how you can activate the SIM card. You're gonna find a link for the tutorial down below in the description. And then with another thing that you can do is you can use Airalo. Airalo is another similar site comparing to My Mobile, where I'm going to write here again Egypt. And when I'm going to write here Egypt, I'm going to have the 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte, or even 5 gigabyte of data. Pricing is a little bit similar here. So let's say I'm going to choose the 3 gigabyte of data. And here you would choose buy now, and also you're gonna have discount code. So when you're gonna click on a link, you can use the discount code and you would have it again cheaper. So you can use also Airalo if you want to. So these are, in my opinion, two ways how we can actually get an eSIM and how you can get the data when you're gonna travel to Egypt. Where let's say that you want to set up the Google Maps. I don't really recommend like watching YouTube videos or doing something that is going to get a lot of out of your data, like Netflix or something. It's really good if you want to find a restaurant. Also, if you want to find where you want to go, that's perfect. Also, you're going to have a QR code that you can activate it with, similar comparing to My Mobile, but with Airalo, you're going to have also app that you can use. So that's about it, and that's how it works. So if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and have a great day, and goodbye.